Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Sunday morning, let's have a coffee. Electro laptop fees, good morning. My good morning. Cole, good morning. Silvio Nazza, good morning, guys. Nazza. Good morning, guys. Any good news? Yeah, we're gonna speak about rare things today, yeah? Rare, rare. Good morning, good morning. Nazza. You ever had like rare things, huh? Rare items, rare drinks, rare food, something like that. How rare? Proper rare, Silvio. Good morning, good morning. Power transformer with Variac. Yeah, the one. Yeah, I know which one. Good morning, good morning. The Munurus, good morning. Natsa. So I got something yesterday, rare. It's -11 and snow. You are lucky, man. I can't believe. You know how much I miss snow? Milan, good morning. Yeah, everything is fine. Yeah. Need a market, produce quality microscope. We have a microscope coming on the next demo video. Yeah. Flux capacitor. I'm gonna show you. So I got a present yesterday from the guy who gave me the job lots. You remember? Alin. It's a Romanian guy. Yeah. So he went back to Romania and he brought me a present. A moonshine drink. Palinka. Yeah. But this is a good one. This is not like any. It's like, yeah, exactly, Leptofix, exactly. So this is so good. I mean, you have to taste it on small quantities, otherwise you'll start crying. But it's a pure plums moonshine. It's unbelievable, unbelievable. So this is rare. To get like a good one like this one is quite rare. Yeah. It's not like I'm a drinker, but this one, this is rare. This is rare. He's a proper nice guy. Yeah. Morning, morning, guys. Feeling down? Mike, try to avoid the news. Yeah, that's the thing. You will get even worse if you read the news. Now I'm gonna show you something. Hopefully it will make your day better. You remember the last job? So the last job, I post the picture. Let me show you the picture. Yeah, so I post the picture to Gemini and ChatGPT, and I ask for a resolution. This picture, and I mark the place for the component, and I ask both AIs, and you will be surprised. Let me see. What is the page? What is the page? Yeah, here. So check here. Yeah, same questions. Yes, exactly same questions. So Chat GPT said, "Can I short?" Yeah, and the Chat GPT said, "Yeah, you can short them." Yeah, and Gemini said the same question. Yeah, No, absolutely no. Yeah, yeah. So one AI say you can do it, the other AI say you can't do it. But I test a little bit Gemini. But whatever it's, let's say, whatever it's out from the book, the Gemini it will say no. Always it will say no. Yeah, but Chat GPT, yeah, yeah, sure, them, yeah, why not? Yeah, that's funny, proper funny. Yeah, moonshine has a lot of history. Yeah, I know from the moment of prohibition. Yeah, the trend start on that point. But even back on, Romania, same story. Yeah, Mike, I forgot to mention, and it's my fault. I forgot to mention the bots, the AI bots cannot train on videos. Yeah, there is a setting on the YouTube on the channel settings saying you allow to AI bots to get trained on your content, and by default it's no. And I left it like that. Probably if I will enable, I can, increase my revenue a little bit. But I let it like default. I mean, YouTube knows better. Why it should be no? So that's why I'm surprised about some things which AI knows, and how, because he's not allowed to train on videos. So that was my surprise how he knows. Yeah. So he can train on public content like forums. Yeah. Like whatever text is on internet, but no videos. No, sorry, he scans everything. No, it's not allowed. It's on the channel. I'm gonna share the settings. It's not a secret. One second. It's on the settings. YouTube Studio settings, and on the settings you have channel advanced settings. Yeah, I found it. So check here, yeah. Check here. Let me switch. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, nothing secret here. Check here, yeah. So allow third-party companies to train AI model using my channel content. So this by default is coming disabled. Yeah, so the AI cannot train on YouTube content. That's all what I'm saying. Not showing. Mike, not sure what do you mean. The chat was not the page was not on screen. Oh, okay, okay. Why do you think they care about settings? Probably they don't care about settings, but they care about the people suing the AI companies like Suno. Suno lost 500 millions or billions, millions, I believe. Yeah. So yeah, I think they should care. I mean, let's be honest. Yeah, the one which has right is the one with money. So yeah, it doesn't matter. Now I seen a video in the morning, and I'm still shocked how the plastic recycling industry it's a scam. Basically, the plastic cannot be recycled, and I thought it's working because China was getting the old plastic from the world, But I found out today actually China banned plastic incomes years ago. So yeah, the only way to recycle the plastic is by burn it. Yeah, I didn't know either. Yeah, it's just it's all about money. Hmm. But your public videos are public to watch. Yeah, not to train or AI bot to use that info. Yeah, 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 definitely. We can project. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ashai. Indeed, can train from any page. So someone shares someone on Reddit, like yeah, yeah. I'm not saying. I'm just saying it cannot train from YouTube videos. So definitely, whatever bot knows probably is from whatever is on the internet. I don't understand why the bots. I test both Gemini and ChatGPT. Why they keep saying no? I'm sorry, I don't have the answer. Why they have to make up an answer? That's not right. I mean, yeah, it's good for business to always have an answer, but it's just it's bad. Give me like whatever random answer you think is right. Yeah, from Discord. I have no idea. No idea. They have to prove it's evolving. The AI bubble. A lot of people are speaking about this kind of stuff. The AI bubble. So I'm not sure what will happen in the future. What I know is a lot of people crying for their jobs. Now I checked on the news in the morning. In the morning, they want to replace the whole. One second, let me find the news. They want to replace the whole public transportation with AI cars. Yeah, the news changed, so I can't see it anymore. Yeah, okay. Why do I have a purple crown next to my name? Uh, I don't know. Has something to do with gifted subs, I believe. By the way, I have something to test, and I'm gonna test it. So I'm gonna show you the best thermal paste from the world. So according with Igor Lab, this has to be the best thermal paste from the world. And I'm gonna test it against MX7. MX7 is supposed to be the second best, but yeah. He tested Igor Labs. You know the website. He tested, and he said this is way better compared with MX7. So I'm curious if indeed it's is better. Really? Yeah, Igor's Lab. Yeah, you can have a look on the website. Price? It's not that expensive compared to MX7. No, probably about the same. So I'm just curious because I will be honest with you. I will not start at doing tests when I know someone tested like professionally. But something seems shady with his test. That's why I wanted to test myself. Shady, yeah, like we test Duronald, and was quite like mediocre speaking. I mean, don't get me wrong, I know the guy. I'm watching the guy, the guy which is making I forgot the name. It's a German name. He has tools. He has a lab. He's doing a great job. I think what he's missing is actually the research. So it's okay, he's doing stuff. And but from what I test, that's what I mean. We tested together. I made a video testing that thermal paste, and you know what I mean. No, I don't know what to say. I mean, I'm a supporter of like European business, but the test is the test. Curious about the thermal paste, if it's better than MX7? Yeah, I'm curious as well. When you're having a retreat, not sure what that means, Bob. Not sure what that means. Trip together. Ha! Everything is going worse and worse every year. Even YouTube this year, the revenue from videos are almost like nearly half compared with last year, from some reason. So everything is going down. Everything. I mean, a few years ago, I was like affording a lot of stuff, but now, no, nothing. Absolutely nothing. What is the purpose of the low side MOSFET? Free books. The best is to go on my other channel Sorin and Diana, and learn how the switching power supplies are working. That's the best way, because you will understand what is the reason why we have a high side MOSFET and what is the reason to have a low side MOSFET. I mean, it's easy to explain you now, but to have like a full picture, it's you just go there and check the videos, because the videos are not only about how the switching power supply is working, it's how the current control power supply is working, or voltage control power supply. Yeah, you can have a look there. I have a friend who used toothpaste instead of thermal paste. Okay, that's rude. People ask me to test something like that, but you can't do it. You can't just take a piss on years of research. How the toothpaste can come even close to the thermal paste? Just because it's looking the same. I seen people, they ask me on the chat, sorry, compare with mayonnaise. I mean, you know what I mean? It's just rude. You can't do it. Yes, tested. No, Mike, come on. We are speaking about people spending serious money on research. You can't really believe actually the toothpaste is better compared with thermal paste, when the toothpaste have nothing to do with the thermal paste. No, it's not. It's the water. So if you have any results, it's because it's wet. That's the reason. You can use only like pure water. You use pure water, and it will do the same. Yeah, it's a difficulty. Yeah, people are crazy. I mean, yeah, yeah. What can I say? Should I quote you? Years of research, and you replace almost with your wire, Silvio? You're wrong. Let me tell you how designing a laptop happened. I know for a friend. So he's the designer. He's getting he having a coffee, and for some reason he split the coffee, and he has a bad day, and he comes to work, and because he has a bad day, and he's okay. I'm gonna design this MOSFET in the serial mode with the backlight. Yeah, that's exactly that. In this way, happen exactly on this way, Silvio. Is no other way. So he has a bad day, a bad sex, a bad I don't know whatever, a headache, and he's okay. Let me put this here. Then the design got approved and never tested. They cannot test. They have to sell quickly because of the CPU. The CPU they're using the latest CPU. CPU is getting cheaper every day. So they have to release that laptop for sale soon as possible. Yeah, they are not testing, like not even for hours. I'm telling you because I know for sure. So that's how designers are working. They are, taking the chip, like the chips. They are coming with like how is called? They have like it's made by the manufacturer of the chip. The integration, yeah, the schematic. But yeah, he has like a bad day. Oh, let me put that there. Yeah, he put the component, the serial mode with the backlight, and yeah, the design got approved, and the laptop get manufactured and get sold without being tested. Development board. Yeah, that's the name. So the designers they are connecting these developing schematics, yeah, with chip, and that's how the laptop is getting born. So no, Silvio, no, there is no years of research. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. No, listen, yeah. Just to prove this, just to prove my point. What was the purpose of that MOSFET on the serial mode with the backlight? Just tell me, Silvio. I know which was. It's not just random. I know why they try to hide. Tell me what is the purpose of that MOSFET? Just to prove, what I'm saying, it's right. Tell me, Silvio. Answer that question. You go too serious? No, I'm not. What do you mean too serious? Because usually I'm like, like sleeping and no. I'm okay. No. Tell me, Silvio, why we have a MOSFET on the serial with the backlight? Hmm? Anyone knows? Automatic cutoff? No, Sergio. To have something like that, you need a current sensor. Yeah, to feel actually the current is going high. No. Dell indeed has a current sensor, yeah, but not the Asus from yesterday, from 2 days ago. Voica, ce să mă uit. But what is the problem with the Lenovo Legion? What is doing? You just tell me what it's doing, and I'm gonna tell you if I can do something or not. To cut the power off on the laptop itself? Why? Why? The inverter is not taking power. Why you'll do something like that? No. Smart choice, George. Yeah. I think I seen your comment or someone else comment saying when you connect an external display to cut the backlight. No, that's not what is happening. The backlight is cut down by the AC chip installed. You have power LED on and dim. No, it's pointless. Pointless to cut the backlight. You are not doing something like that. You cut the power. You cut the how it's called, the enable signal of the inverter. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Hello, Sorin. Do you think an NLBA should charge for every unlock a small fee? No. No. There is another company. Listen, if you want to pay for unlock, it's another software. It's another software, and you can do it. I forgot what is the name. And I don't know. It's charging like up to $10, but probably under $10 for unlock. But no, this is bad because you can have a case where I had a case where I have to unlock that battery like 5 times. So I unlock the battery, then charge the cells that got locked again, because when you charge a cell, the voltage goes high on that cell. Then you fix the fuse and it's happening to get locked again and stuff like that. So no. Voica, mă gândesc că ești în UK, dacă îl vrei reparat. I'm afraid of AI. India? No way. Especially from India, no way. If you disconnect the screen with the battery plugged in to not fry the EC chip? Wait, you got this wrong. It's always voltage there. So even if the laptop is off, you still have voltage. You remember you checked. So it's not like you shut down the laptop and that chip is getting shut down. Ești din România? Păi numai transportul e vreo 100 și ceva. Clar nu se merită. Cumpăr altă placă de bază. Plătești 100 și ceva numai ca să mă uit eu la el, să văd că nu se poate face. Sunt atâți oameni deștepți, chiar și pe chat-ul ăsta, din România, care sunt mai buni decât mine, mult mai buni decât mine. De ce nu te duci la ei? Nu înțeleg. Sunt oameni pe YouTube, români pe YouTube, care fac același lucru ca și mine, mult mai buni decât mine. Sorry guys, sorry. I was speaking about, the other repair people from Romania. Am încredere în tine? Măi, nu mai e ca pe vremuri. Nu știu cum a fost pe vremuri, niciodată n-am făcut treaba asta, dar nimeni nu-ți fură piese din laptop. Nu? Știu că așa spun mulți. Vreau să-l trimit la tine, că sunt sigur că tu nu furi piese din el. Yeah. Sorry guys, sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay, let me tell you why do I think that chip is there on the backlight circuit. One second, give me 1 second. Voica, aici nu e vorba de a fi bun, da? Eu ți iau banii aia de reparații că lipesc o sârmă. Mai mult dată nu-mi pot permite timpul, pentru că ar trebui să-și cer mai mult decât o reparație. Ceea ce fac eu este foarte rău. Înțelegi? Sunt reparații care trebuie să fie rapide. Dacă nu sunt rapide, nu se merită. Că niciodată nu o să mă plătești pentru timpul care îl folosesc. Sorry. Okay, why do I think that chip is there? Is to mask or to hide a frozen EC chip. Because it can happen, like you shut down the laptop and you still have backlight on the screen. We see on so many laptops this kind of stuff. So I think that chip is there to cut the 19 volts when the 3.3 is down. When the 3.3 is gone, that means the laptop is off or you have not a working CPU. On that moment, they will cut the 19 volts also. So if you have like a frozen EC chip, with the ASUS design, you'll have no backlight. Because having backlight and actually, you can assume the laptop is still on and it's frozen. So yeah, they try to hide a frozen EC chip. That's what I think. Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, capacitors, right? Yeah. Yeah, I know the song. I know the song. Yeah, Diana loved that song. Ozone, yeah, right? Yeah. Anger? No, I'm not. Come on, man. I'm not angry. What do you mean? I'm just, usually, like you on the live stream, when we are having a coffee, it's like, oh, I'm sleepy. I'm like, oh, yeah, well, nah. No. How can I be angry? No way. I'm just more active, but not angry. Playing new games lately, I finished the PoE 2 and the Diablo 4. And I'm waiting for March for new season on Diablo. No, no, March Last Epoch and Diablo. No, and PoE 2 and Diablo in April. Yeah, something like that. But anyway, yeah, March it will happen. I was hoping for a good Metin 2 server, but looks like, I don't know, the people are living on a different world. All servers are bad. I mean, I can't even play. I didn't play Metin for years. What battery calibration means? You calibrate the cells so every cell has exactly the same voltage. That's what calibration means. We did calibrations on the videos, like with the power supply, trying to bring every cell to the same voltage. Balancing, yeah. A building a guitar tube amp. I was looking for a tube amps, but are mad expensive. So mainly you will find them on China, but crazy expensive, crazy. Lineage 2, no, I didn't play that one. I'm really sorry. Which power supply did you prefer for beginners? A linear power supply. A linear power supply. You buy a linear one, a cheap one. I don't have access to any power supply on Temu. That's the reason why I cannot, advertise one. Hard to get linear? No way. No, what do you mean? Fire phone. On AliExpress. If you are not sure it's linear, just text the seller and ask him, this is a linear power supply or a switching power supply, and he has to tell you. Linear is never cheap. I mean, yeah, cheap is like a tricky word. Yeah, depends. Before you have the NLBA, you try manual calibration, but calibration, it will not help you. It will not unlock a battery. But before the NLBA, I could not repair batteries. Some batteries. I have some videos actually charging the cells, and the battery start working. Yeah. I bought a linear for 150. No, it should be like under £100. You should find linear power supply on AliExpress. If you buy cheap, you buy twice. No, no, it's not the case when it's about a linear power supply. You have, the main components are transformer. It's not like switching power supply. Okay, you're buying a switching power supply, and obviously a cheap one, it will have like a cheap design with like no protection and nothing. No, that's the beauty with the linear power supplies. Didn't you modify your power supply? I modify only, I added like the meter on the serial mode with output. That's all what I modify in my one, but nothing else. And I disabled the fan. The fan was spinning always. Yeah, of course, any transformer can be used on a linear power supply. We made a video with 3 pound linear power supply. You remember? 3 pound. 3 pound power supply. We made a video. I mean, yeah, if the money is an issue, yeah, you can build yourself your power supply. You can get a transformer from anywhere and build one. Kids from Temu is fake boards? What do you mean fake? How can be fake? How a board can be fake? Well, something went wrong there if it got burned when you short the terminals, because there should be like short circuit not short circuit, there should be a current limit. Current limit. So I shorted myself in the video, you remember, nothing happened. Temu has this kitten is fake. No one it will scam you from like a big website like Temu. No way. No way. Board rev, pentru că încerc să fac bani, înțelegi? De-aia fac asta, nu o fac de hobby. Înțelegi? Și acolo câteva lire diferență, pentru mine contează. Îmi cumpăr un pachet de țigări. I found just stop doing it. Yes, stop doing it. My wife is doing shopping from like 2 years. I never got scammed from Temu. I'm reviewing items from Temu, never happened. You can't get scammed. You understand? It's impossible to get scammed. It's impossible. Okay? They are taking payments with PayPal. If you plan a scam, if you run a scam, you don't accept PayPal payments. You don't. You just don't do it. So that's the way how I, when I'm buying stuff, I'm watching if there is PayPal. If there is PayPal, means that thing is legit. Otherwise, it's not. So, yeah. A scam, it will never accept PayPal payments. But what's the catch on Temu? It's very cheap. You know the catch. You think I'm reviewing stuff on Temu so Temu can sell. They don't care about, if they sell that item or not. They care about people making accounts. That's the trick there. That's the trick there. Yeah. That's the trick. So they want accounts. So when they have people accounts, they will email with different offer. They will offer coupons to buy stuff. They have like a quota. Okay, you buy that much, you'll get more. It's pretty interesting. It's quite stressing because I can see Diana. Oh, I got like a coupon to spend. So if I spend £10, I will get. Yeah, that's the catch. There's no other catch. So the big final picture is they try to sell as much they can. George, good morning. You are Bob. You are lucky. You are lucky. So I have a package that never arrived, and they didn't refund me. No, I lost money. I'm just saying because I got so much. If I show the rate of like and dislikes when I'm doing like a Temu video, it's unbelievable. It's I got so much hate for Temu, and I don't understand why. It's making no sense. And by the way, yeah, by the way, because I remember now, I said, you know what? When I did the mini computers, the minis forum one, you remember? I said, let me replace the capacitor. On YouTube is something called metrics, yeah. So metrics, basically, the YouTube is advertising your video depends of the like dislike proportion, the percentage. And I said, I'm gonna replace the capacitor so the people need to not press the dislike button. Guess what? I replace the capacitor and I get exactly the same number of dislikes, which is crazy. It's insane. I mean, I don't know what to do. Yeah. Again, if you have a problem, go and open a return and you return that product to them and they will refund you. Capacitor replacement matters. That's what I thought. I said, I will replace the capacitor and the people, they will not press the dislike, they will press like. No, that didn't happen. Yeah, exactly. I got scammed. What did I miss? Nothing. How much is tax on the repairs? Tax is based on what we are doing. If you have like a business, you have or you are self-employed, or depends how much you earn. There is like it's a few marks. Depends how much you earn, and you pay more. I believe over 65K, you pay 40 or 45% tax, and under I think is 20. You know what? That's what I believe. I work with a little. I work with few Chinese companies, and they had to pay me for that, and excluding Temu, just excluding Temu. If I tell you the story with Temu, you'll not believe me anyway. I worked before with few Chinese companies, and they were like proper straightforward. I mean, they are fair people. If they will say, I'm gonna pay you for that, they will pay you, excluding Temu. Yeah, Temu have nothing to do on this. Dislikes from competition? I mean, I don't know. But I'm gonna tell you the story with Temu if you want to hear it. Let me get one more. I think that's the reason why I'm so active today. It's unbelievable. Diana, it's on the chat. Ah, yeah, she saw me. Too early? George Palinka, dar de-aia bună. Yeah? De-aia bună. Just repair my first laptop through soldering. Backlight fuse blown. Has to be proper calibrated, yeah. If you ask AI, I ask, I can replace a fuse with wire. No, you can't do something like that. A fuse is not a wire. It's a special materials with special speed calculated, and it was like 3 pages of text with fuses, which is insane. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the story with Temu. So Temu, listen, like how many reviews like people asking for a review. I will get, speaking average at least 10 people they want to send me stuff to advertise. No, they want me to advertise, that they want me to tell him the price and stuff like that. 10 average every day. So Temu came, and I know what is Temu. And I said, you know what, I will ask 5 times more than normally I ask. And I ask 5 times more money. And what Temu said, sorry, no, we're gonna pay a little bit more than you ask. Yeah, that's what Temu did. And of course I said yes. But I swear I asked like 5 times more. So you see, sometimes it's not all about money. It's about the overall experience. Yeah, when you cross the line and you are on the top chat. Oh, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't know. No one told me that. No one told me. Gamer, here I have a old Lenovo. What should I check first? Gamer, we have a Discord. And we have a form, how you describe a fault. And you ask there on Discord. There are a lot of people, over 20,000 people there. Sounds like I need to start some YouTube videos. You are kind of late for the party. Like I said, it's like half revenue compared with the last year. But yeah, still good, still decent. Do you accept laptop pictures and videos for determining potential repair? No, you don't have to do that. First, you have to be UK based, and I'll get the repair. Then, what I'm doing, I'm trying to save your money. So you tell me what fault it is, and I'm gonna tell you if I can take the repair or not. There are many repairs. I said, I'm sorry, but I can't help you with this. Just because, taking the job, then charging the bench fee and send it back, that doesn't make me happy. It's okay, you don't have to thank me. It's okay. Maybe next Sunday we will build something. Like what? Just say the word, and we can try it. Not sure. What should I say here? Yeah, okay, I understand what you did. Depends. Usually, this kind of stuff, they have like a diode for protection, like inverse voltage protection. On that case, you can see if there is a. But probably the CPU is not that because you have a regulator. That regulator it will get shorted. If it's worth to repair it, or shall I get a? But how can I? How can we know what is the problem? That's the thing. Is electronics too cheap? It is, and I think that's about to change, especially now with the RAM memories. Definitely, the laptop price it'll move up. Do you ever have problems collecting money from customers? Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes I have here some stuff. The people they don't want it back. I tell them, don't send it. No, no, no. I'm gonna pay the diagnose fee. Please have a look. Okay, okay. Send it. He sent the thing. I can't fix it, and they will never pay me the diagnose fee. And they don't want the product back, basically. Yeah. Did you play the new Paladin class? Yeah, I did. Yeah, me and Anna, we play Paladins. Proper strong. Guys, it's about like an hour. Ooh. Do YouTube let you see the usernames? They give dislikes? Of course not. Of course not. Sorry, do a setup tour? We have a video. I have a video with my setup. Yeah. Why don't you charge a diagnose fee up front and apply it? Actually, this is not a bad idea. Yeah, I didn't think about that. I mean, my diagnose fee is quite low. I mean, £25, which is like a pizza. To ask upfront. Yeah, but it's tricky because I don't have to. That means I have to ask for money before. That's the thing. So let's say he's paying before the diagnose fee. I'm sending a PayPal invoice. So they are paying with PayPal, a PayPal invoice. They can pay with PayPal or by card, Apple Pay, and all that kind of stuff. So I have to charge 25. Then I have to send another invoice with the postage if I can't fix it, right? Or with the final repair price and the postage. It's, it's tricky. You'll have to put PayPal on your website? No, 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 no. The invoice system I'm using is PayPal. So I'm going on PayPal and I'm completing the invoice. They have an invoice system. By the way, they are taking a percentage from the invoice. I think like 1% or something like that. So I'm doing the invoice, and the PayPal is sending the invoice to the customer, and the customer is paying. I know what you mean. But that's not me. That's not me. Nah, I'm still, I can sleep well on the nighttime. No. I'm pretty sure even myself I can do like serious money, like taking every job. But it's more than that. No, I can't do it. It does mean I have to lie. I have to when I know that I cannot fix that job. and I still tell the customer, okay, send it. Yeah. Kevin, thank you very much for your donation. Thank you. Thank you very much. Shop takes too much money for your repairs? What do you mean? Shop takes too much? No, we are doing like half half. Wow. I think I have to close the stream. Stop drinking, I'm jealous. I wish I can give you like a little bit to taste it, Mike. It's like a unique experience. Palinka, yeah, palinka. But not any palinka, because I got like a lot palinka from different sources. And it's sad when you see the people are trying to make more money. They put like alcohol in, or they put some sugar stuff, and it's just. But this one is like proper one, a proper one. Game time? Nah, not today. Sunday. I gave 25% discount to trade customers. Trade customers. Yeah, but no, okay, I understand. But I have to give them like 50% because they are paying for the postage also. So a computer shop, they have to pay for the postage for the product coming here and coming back. So 50% is like a fair amount of money. I look online how to make palinka. You need plums. Yeah, you have plums. Plums tree. If you have plums, yeah, you can do it. But probably it's illegal. Probably it's illegal. Anyway, if you are doing it, just be sure you are boiling twice. Sergio, don't get me wrong, I'm not drinking. So I think this is the first drink from this year. Thank you very much for your donation. Thank you. Barbecue today? Nah, it's be raining, like 1 week of rain. Only illegal if you get caught? Mati, I was expecting this kind of text from you. Yeah, definitely. It's illegal only if you get caught. Yeah. Okay, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna stop now. I just want to say thank you for being here. Try to enjoy the Sunday. And I still have a bunch of videos to edit and upload. I'm gonna try to do it next week. Yeah. Yeah. Just enjoy the day, and thank you for being here and having a coffee with me. Okay. See you on the next one. 73 Mike. Bye.